How to text a girl you like. Good night message. Send a decent night content for her. The considerations and emotions we have before bed sink in overnight and continue to the following day. They can even influence how well we rest and advance into our fantasies. That is the reason it's significant that your great night content for her encourages sentiments of friendship. Art a message that gives her a surge of positive sentiments, and she'll head to sleep with you at the forefront of her thoughts. Great writings to send. Before I head to sleep, I needed to state I'm contemplating you. I trust you have the best dreams. Goodbye, her name. I can hardly wait for morning to come so I can converse with you once more. By letting her, since she is at the forefront of your thoughts toward the day's end, you give her that she's imperative to you. Feeling esteemed and wanted will attract her closer to you and will be the ideal completion of her day. Try not to send these writings. Rest tight. Try not to let the bloodsuckers chump. I trust you long for me today. Sending buzzword expressions or awful endeavors at being a tease do nothing but fabricate positive emotions towards you. They sound deceptive and can really fix the warmth she worked towards you for the duration of the day. Utilize her name. In the event that you quickly message a young lady utilizing a pet name rather than her real name, she'll presumably consider two things. Hold up. We just met and he's calling me child? I'm not his infant yet. Did he call me child to be sweet, or did he overlook my name? And in the event that you don't utilize her name by any means, it appears to be a conventional book that you could send to any young lady. Those aren't the initial introductions you need to give. So for the primary content, utilize her real name. What's more, P.S. I suggest utilizing her name until you go on a genuine date. At that point, after you build up a decent relationship, don't hesitate to utilize pet names. Great writings to send. Hello, her name. How was the remainder of your end of the week? Her name. Extraordinary gathering you. These writings are basic, however you utilize her name, ensuring she realizes your message is only for her, and that you aren't by and large excessively forward with pet names. Try not to send this content. Hello, infant nectar sugar darling. Look, in case you're utilizing a pet name, since you don't recollect her name, and you can't discover it out through a companion, simply don't content her. Proceed onward to a young lady you recall.